The key to good fortune and health. Tibetan wisdom of nature's energy. On the Tibetan plateau, monks say, "A butter lamp loses its light if you forget to add oil." So too, our energy and fortune fade when we turn away from nature. But nature is the eternal source of vitality. With just a mindful moment, you can add oil to your inner lamp and let it shine again. Here are 8 Tibetan ways to recharge in just 1 minute. First, climb to meet the sun and let its rays fill you with strength. Second, warm your back under sunlight, dissolving inner cold. Third, bathe in moonlight, allowing peace to enter restless nights. Fourth, gaze at drifting clouds and let the mind soften into stillness. Fifth, walk by flowing rivers, receiving their nourishing rhythm. Sixth, observe moss or ants and learn patience from the smallest lives. Seventh, embrace a tree, listening to the quiet whispers of wood. Eighth, walk barefoot on earth and feel its heartbeat restore balance. In Tibet, people and nature are never apart. By returning to its embrace, your soul will glow again, like a butter lamp in the sacred night. Carry with you a Tibetan-inspired jewel as a gentle reminder of protection, guidance, and connection. Discover more at Sigunyang Spirit, sgnspirit.com.